Hello, I'm Denis from Croatia. I have met Daniel on multiple occasions, be it through online programs, group programs that we went through together, in the community, on the forums, and I also did some one-on-one sessions with him. One thing that always struck me with him is that whenever I was struggling, he was able to see me from a broader perspective than I saw myself at the moment. So if I was struggling and like in this closed off mode, his responses always made me realize this bigger perspective, and that perspective shift was something that produced changes for me then. And of course, during our one-on-one sessions, that process was much stronger because he was there live with me, so he was able to guide me through things as they were happening. And that's one other thing about Daniel, that I think he's very attuned uh, to the moment and to the person, and very observant. So it's kind of hard to fool him, which I think is good in this process. So those are two main things um, that I experienced working with him. I would really recommend him for anyone looking for personal change, to make some shifts, get a different perspective, connect to more joy. And yeah, thank you, Daniel, for everything, and hope to see you soon again. Ciao, ciao.